Oh my god. Dude, we're not including this. What's the game plan here? No.
Why? Morning, guys! Yes, I have makeup on today. Enough is enough. Every day looking so gross in these videos. I have a lot to do in the house today. I gotta clean up this room. That is despicable. And then I have to go stop by the studio to get the print for this week's Name That Print. I totally forgot it at the studio because we're reshooting all our hijabs. So it's there, I gotta go and pick it up. Oh my god, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hungry today. My stomach is concave. It's literally sunken in, and I've already lost so much weight, and it's already hard for me to keep weight on as it is. That's annoying to hear for a lot of people. It's bad because, you know, being underweight is not a good thing. But alhamdulillah, usually reading Quran gives me energy, so I'm gonna get my jizz on today. All right, off to cleaning. I'm watching this lecture by Mukhtar Maghrawi. He is one of my faves, and I watch this every Ramadan. They're great reminders. I'll put the link in the description of this video so you guys can watch it. What a beautiful day it is out here. It was supposed to rain today, but it's sunny and it's beautiful. I actually missed my car. I had to call a new. I didn't miss it. I had to cancel it because I forgot my camera. I had to come back into the studio today to grab the Name That Print. So these 5 plus an additional 1 is going to be on the website Tuesday. So I think I'm going to use this one for the Name That Print. It's my fave. Although this one I am loving as well. So pretty.
This is ridiculous. This is so ridiculous.
Me and Ahmed are insta-living.
Somebody's asking how old we are. I think by the way that we're acting, we're kind of in our late teens, wouldn't you say?
Say hi! Now I have to do the Name That Print. I was trying to decide between this print, and clearly I went with this one. I thought it was really pretty. So I have to turn my bedspread upside down so it's plain white. And then I start putting cute stuff all around to take a really beautiful photo. One of you guys were asking to see my night skincare regimen, routine, whatever. So I thought that would be the perfect ending to today's vlog. I haven't taken a shower. My hair's not wet, but I thought, like, I don't know how else to do this. Okay, so the first thing I do is I take off all of my makeup. This I picked up in Paris, actually. Everybody talks about this. You can't buy it in the US. Although you can get it on Amazon now. So I've been using it for a while now. It's usually pink, and this is all clear, but the blue is for, I think it's for acne prone skin. Yeah, it's for oily skin. Then for cleansers, I usually use my good old drugstore Cetaphil I've been using since probably, if not high school, college. Or I use my Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. So these are the 2 I usually use. Now, if you guys saw my huge Fresh Insta Story haul, you may remember that I got the fresh sea berry cleansing oil, which I have yet to try. So today might be a good time to try. Although I think you're supposed to use that to remove your makeup, which I've already done. All cleansed. That was really interesting. My face feels hot. I think that's because of the oil, but it also looks better than when I usually cleanse. Maybe that's because of the nutrients in this cleansing oil. I don't know. I need to give it a few more tries. I don't know if I was even really doing it right, because it didn't lather, like it didn't get soapy, but I do like how my face looks. I have to try it a little bit more. I am a mask fiend, so I did a mask this morning. I didn't show you guys, but I did one, and I'm gonna do one right now. I am gonna go with my fave, the Fresh Umbrian Clay Mask. This is my favorite Fresh product of all time, and probably one of my favorite masks as well. So once again, make sure you're applying with one of these guys. So once I'm done masking, then I tone just like I do in the morning, my Neutrogena. I use my black tea kombucha facial essence again at night. Next is Drunk Elephant BHA. It's an AHA BHA, basically a natural exfoliant. It's their Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. It's 12% AHA BHA. Then I take my Aliza Skin Overnight Mask. So I have a day one and a night one of these. Then I take the same Fresh Creme Ancienne eye cream, same one I use in the morning. Then for the very last thing I put on my face at night, I have a rotation. I either use the Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream, which when you open, looks like that, so that it doesn't get contaminated, which I love. Or I use the Fresh Sea Berry Face Oil combined with CeraVe PM Moisturizing Lotion. So I use this every morning, AM SPF, but then there's also a PM one without the SPF, but still has the niacinamide, the zinc oxide, and the hyaluronic acid. Or this I just got from that Fresh haul again. It's the Creme Ancienne face oil, which I've been really excited about because this is their most expensive line, and I was like, ooh, let me get this and try it out. I'm gonna combine it with CeraVe. I usually do like 2 pumps, and then I do about 3 to 4 drops of that. It's really unfair how Ahmed doesn't have to do anything to his face ever, morning or night. And he actually has really good skin. Go away. So annoying. So that's it. That's all I do. I'm gonna go pray Isha, pray Taraweeh, go to bed. Y'all know the drill. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow.